Hello, it's Thursday, March the 17th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. With Japan facing a nuclear emergency, the dollar continues to strengthen against the other majors as investors take refuge in the greenback. US stock markets closed negative for a third day in a row as the Dow fell by minus 2.04% and the Nasdaq by minus 1.89%. Crude is currently trading firmly above $97 a barrel. Gold, however, is struggling to close below $1,400 an ounce. Today, core CPI is expected at 0.1% versus 0.2% previously, and unemployment claims is expected at 388,000 versus 397,000 prior. The euro fell for the first time after the 3 days as Portugal's credit downgrade revived concern about the region's debt crisis. CPI came out as expected at 2.4%. Breaking support at 138.70 might accelerate the decline in the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 138.65 and a high of 140.02. No economic data is expected today. The pound fell against the dollar, testing once again the support area of 159.80. Claimant count change data came out at minus 10.2 thousand, better than expected 1.3 thousand. Breaking support might accelerate the decline in the pair, and overall the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.80 and a high of 161.30. Today, consumer inflation expectations is due for release, and nationwide consumer confidence is expected at 48 versus 47 previously. The yen soared across the board, gaining an average of 300 pips at the beginning of the Asian session, also posting a record high against the dollar, following concern over possible radiation leaks. The Japanese currency gave up on a major part of its gains in a matter of hours as it squeezed up very fast. Holding below the resistance level of 80.30 keeps the momentum bearish for the pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.30 and a high of 80.60. Today, the monetary policy meeting is due for release. Finally, the Canadian dollar. The CAD weakened for a third day versus the US dollar as Japan's nuclear crisis scared investors away from riskier assets related to global economic growth and commodities. Manufacturing sales came out 4.5% better than expected, 1.3%. Breaching the 0.9980 resistance area might extend the gains in the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9805 and a high of 0.9966. Today, wholesale sales are expected at 0.9% versus 0.8% previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.